I have this one of a job that we're going to be doing. And so you're basically going to match each cell, each one of these cells with the corresponding panel, and then transfer the data onto the Excel sheet. So like I said before, we go from left to right. And so there's a weird thing of when you begin the highlighting process, you have to start on the second cell. So you don't start on the first, you start on the second one, and then you hold down the control button and then continue the corresponding panels to the cells. So you just have to make sure 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then for the second row, as you can see, it's down below the second section. So we just go straight there, select, select, select. And then when you're finished with all the ones that you want to export at the moment, then you continually holding the control button, press back on the first section, and you can let go. And at this point, you take your scanner, go to number 3, collect, and then just get all your barcodes for the section that you're mapping. And like I said, go left to right, don't forget that. And it's a good idea not to do, like, say you collect over 20, just because there's a higher chance of you or anyone fucking it up if you go, say, collect 60 and maybe you missed one, or there's just a lot of problems that can arise. So if you're doing it, just do it in like sets of 20, I think is good. So you see 16 count. There's 16 selected cells that you map or match the array. Then you go from collect to export, then collect export, then wireless export, which is this, just plugged in, and then you press wireless export, and that's what happens. So it should always double check if you've done one, but it should end up like that, and then save it, whatever the site's name is, send that to Tim, get the map done. And then once you go on to do another section, just exit out of here, go back to collect, delete your data, make sure it's cleared, and then go back to scanning. And if you don't do that, then when you export again onto your saved section, it's gonna fuck up the whole thing. So yeah, that's basically it. Just be really mindful of not missing any scans, and just make sure it's exactly how it looks on, on the roof, or if you're going off of a previous map. All right, let me know if you need any help.